If your browser is slow, or you just want something faster and more secure, watch this. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to download and install Firefox on your laptop, step by step. Even if you've never done this before, just follow along. I'll keep everything simple. First, open any browser you already have, like Chrome or Microsoft Edge. In this example, I'm using Chrome. Now, this next step is important. Go to Google and type "Download Firefox." You'll see the official website at the top. Click on it, or you can go directly to firefox.com. Make sure it's the official site. Don't skip this. Once you're on the homepage, click the Download button. This will start downloading Firefox to your laptop. Now, here's where most people rush. Don't. When the download is complete, click the installer. If a permission window appears, click Yes. Then click Install, and Firefox will begin installing on your PC. Once it's installed, Firefox will open automatically. You'll see options like pinning it to your taskbar, setting it as your default browser, or importing bookmarks and history. You can set these now or skip them for later. Click Skip at the bottom. Skip the extensions step as well, and then click Start Browsing. And just like that, you're in! Firefox is now fully installed and ready to use. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.